Alright, boys and girls, welcome to Garden Guitar. Very much 100% for sure this artist haven't been here on Garden Guitar, and his name is Butrint Imeri. I think that is pretty much very close how to pronounce your name, his name. And yes, this song is called Princesa. So I think this is an artist from Kosovo, Albania. And yeah, could be wrong, I think so. So this is for all the Albanian friends out there. Let's do this Princesa song. We're gonna do it with a capo set on the second fret. All right, so with that we have a couple of chords to go over, 4 chords. So capo on second, that is the best scenario for us, and we have the easiest chords possible. Let's start with A minor. All right, so it goes open A, second D, second G, first B, and open E. We have F, which is a bar chord. So you play the bar, index finger on the first fret, you bar all strings there, and then you need to add third on A, third on D, and second on G. We have the next chord, which is the G. And that is third on E, second on A, open D, open G, third B, third E, and the final chord is E minor. And that is open E, second A, second D, open G, open B, and open E. Alright, so this will be a short one, guys. We need to learn the strumming pattern, and then it's pretty much go time, because it goes in the same way through the entire song. It's pretty easy. So grab the A minor chord, one string around goes down, up, clap, down. That's the rhythm in the song. So down, short pause, and then up, clap, down. A couple rounds to get the feeling for it. All right. I played 4 string rounds, and that is actually how you're gonna start with A minor. So the chord progression goes A minor, 4 string rounds, F, 2 string rounds, G, 1 string round, and then you just play 1 down on E minor and 1 down on G. And that ends 1 chord progression round. So A minor 4, F2, G1, then E minor down, G down, and it goes like that from the beginning till the very end, like this. Minor 4, F2, G1, E minor, G. Alright guys, so Butrint Imeri, Princesa. Nice summery song with everything nice and life explained in this music video. So thank you so much for tuning in here. Hope you enjoyed it, and till next time, play tuned.